to your compression adjustment knob right here, and this dial is gonna go counterclockwise to loosen. You may have a little resistance there, but you can turn it, and it's gonna have a stop, so don't go past the stop. And then clockwise to tighten. This allows you to adjust the length of your fork here so that you can actually install the front wheel. You may notice when you take off your dropout guard here that your fork will pop down like this. This is normal. Once your compression knob here is completely loosened, you'll have the ability to manipulate how tall that your fork goes. And by evening this out, will allow you to align your wheel before you tighten it down. What I like to do to ease the installation process is to fully extend the fork and align it into the dropout, like so. And this gives you a fixed point so that you can go over to the other side and align the other side up. So once you have your right side fork already in, now we're going to maneuver this up, and your goal is to get the brake disc into the brake caliper and the axle into the dropout. All right, so you're aligning your brake disc inside the caliper while also aiming for the axle here. And then once we're in, the next step is to align both front fork stanchions. As you notice, this wheel is crooked, but both axles are in the dropouts. So what you can do is you can take a thumb on either side and you can push it over until the wheel is centered. And then once you tighten down your axle nuts, that's gonna keep it centered. But if you tighten it down while it's crooked like this, it's gonna stay like this. So make sure that you level it out, tighten down your nuts, and the 21mm wrench that is included in your kit is going to be used for this. Tighten one side and tighten the other. The last part is going to be reconnecting your connector. And make sure it's seated all the way. And then you can screw and thread your lock in here. This completes the installation on our all-wheel drive S model. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, you can hit the link below and get in contact with our tech department.